Hello students, welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. We are solving Madras School of Economics paper. For economics paper, we are solving economics part and it's for 2025. We have picked up the sample question and here we are solving question number 38. Which of the following statement is correct about labor market in recent year for land? We said about 10% of the employed are in the formal sector jobs. Female labor force participation rate is about 50%. Youth employment rate is growing at a rapid rate, or rural and urban unemployment rates are nearly similar for me. So which one is correct? So if I pick up each of the question, actually the correct option is option A. But now let us see. This figure is basically underestimated because recent data indicates that approximately 25% recent data of non-agricultural jobs are in the formal sector, and additionally 60 million people are formally employed from a social security perspective, which amounts to 31% of the non-agriculture workforce. Okay. Second, female labor force participation. This is overestimated. Why? Because as of 2023, India female labor force participation was 32.68%, which was below the global average. Youth employment rate is growing at a rapid rate. This is incorrect because India's youth employment rate has been a concern, with estimates indicating a rate of 15.67% in 2023. So this suggests that youth employment is not growing rapidly, and rural and urban unemployment rates are nearly similar for men. So this is incorrect because data show that in rural India the unemployment rate for men was approximately 2%, but in urban India it was around 6.1%. So this indicates a significant disparity between rural and urban unemployment. So the correct option is option A.